Hi, hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're continuing on with the salsa. This time we're gonna put a little combination for you. That way, if you learn the first 3 steps, we can combine them in a nice little pattern for you so you can practice and kind of learn that. Okay, so first we're gonna do the forward and back basic. We're gonna do that twice. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Following that same structure, we're gonna do 2 side basics. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now we're gonna do 1 right underarm turn for the follower, and then we're gonna finish with a forward and back basic. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And you can just keep repeating that until you have more moves, okay? So we're gonna show you from the other side. This time I'm gonna count in numbers, and we'll just go continuously throughout. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cool. We're gonna show you that with some music, and that's it. All right guys, thanks so much for sticking to the end. I hope you like this little combo. Practice it before you continue on. That way you can actually string some of the pieces together. That being said, if you want to learn the rest of our salsa moves, we have it up on our website, ballroomfeed.com. Go check it out. And we have more advanced moves, more content, more combos. So go check it out there. Also subscribe here, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.